Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Druid Hills. Local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance relocating to or from Druid Hills, Georgia is easy with our help. We're concerned about your property's safety. Therefore, we've taken precautions. Every one of our movers and drivers who will come into contact with your possessions has gone through extensive training with us. We have an excellent relationship with the officials who are in charge of the move. Any long-distance relocation can only be successful if the moving vehicles are in excellent functioning condition at all times. Our trucks are capable of long-distance travel, and we service them before each journey. We will deliver all your stuff to you in good time and excellent condition. If any item gets missing or damaged during the relocation process, we have insurance to cover it. 3 men in a truck is the best option for local moving services. Affordability and speed are 2 of the many benefits of using 3 men and a truck's local haul moving services. We charge between $30 and $40 an hour for our services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Druid Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.